Hello, my dear students. Welcome again. So, in this lecture, all you need to do is, as I've said in the previous lectures, for Adobe Podcast, all you need to do is record a piece of your voice. Do not use any fancy equipments like a microphone or a headphone or anything like that. Make sure that your window or something is open so that you can test this tool's ability to the highest of extent. And then all you need to do is that when you have quite like 5, 6, 7 seconds, 8 seconds of a good clip, you put it on this thing. This works perfectly on Android, iPhone, tab, all of the equipments, so no problem on that. And use that clip, and probably if you have a podcast or something, you even don't need to pay the post production anymore, because this thing is very much the go-to tool for you. And as I've said, it has a 3-hour maximum limit, and most podcasts are around under 3 hours, I suppose. So you will have a nice time with that. So play with it, have fun with this Adobe tool, and make sure you learn something out of it. I'll see you in the next section. Bye bye. Thank you.